Welcome back. Vasco police have arrested a migrant labourer for raping a minor girl. Accused on Saturday evening raped the minor victim and fled from the spot. He was arrested late evening after a day-long search. Meanwhile, Anjuna police have arrested a British national, Elizabeth Tregunner, for illegally possessing drugs worth almost 5 lakhs.
Accused Vinod Kumar Srivastav and brother-in-law of the victim girl were working as labourers at an under-construction building at Mangur Hill, Vasco. Accused Vinod on Saturday evening found that 12 years old victim girl is alone in her room. Taking advantage of that, accused trespassed into her room and raped her. After committing the crime, accused Vinod fled from the spot. When brother-in-law of the victim learnt about the crime, he lodged a complaint with Vasco police. Vasco police alerted all checkposts in Goa and later, late evening, the accused was arrested.
His sister-in-law, who is a minor, she was raped by this accused Vinod Kumar Srivastav, who is also hailing from Bihar, and he was working under the same under construction building. This incident had taken place somewhere around 18:30 hours. The accused, after commission of the offence, he fled from the spot. However, my staff, along with PSI Nikhil Palekar, they managed to trace him, and he is arrested.
Section कितना है?
Section is 376 IPC, Section 82 of Goa Children's Act.
Meanwhile, anti-narcotics cell of Goa police on Saturday conducted a narcotic raid at Bamanwada, Anjuna and caught a British national by the name Elizabeth Tregunner with drugs worth 5 lakhs. In the personal search, 4.12 gram of LSD liquid, 2.44 grams of MDMA and 2.50 grams of charas was seized from her possession. Reporters Dishant Parab and Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The residents of Mandopa Navilim are opposing a fast food joint on the agricultural bandh near Mandopa stream. They have demanded that the panchayat should revoke its permission. The agitated farmers claim that this joint will create menace in their farming activity. Sarpanch claims he is with the villagers.
Sunday witnessed chaos and tension at Mandopa Naveli. Locals raised objection to the permission given by Panchayat to the fast food joint on agricultural land. They have demanded that the permission should be revoked.
आमगेलो बांध धाकटो आसलो तेम पुरोन ओड केला आनी आमकां चलोन वचपा रस्तो बंद केला तेणें आमकां तें मशीन बी वचपा जाय म्हूण आमी तें बंद कोताय आमकां तें हिंगा नाका
पूण आतां तेणें कितें केलां
हिंग तेणें फास्ट फूड घालपा हें केलां तें आमकां नाका हिंगा हिंग नाका आनी तेका हिंगा सरपंचान सांगलोलें ते सरपंचान सांगलोलें कोंड्यांक कर म्हूण तेणें आखे शिमटा केलां.
The owner of the fast food center says he has all the permission and NOCs.
फास्ट फूड रेस्टॉरंट घालता म्हणून आनी फेन्सिंग करता म्हणल्यार सो हांवें हें केलां इतलेंशें आनी हांगा तो बेश्टी शेड आनी थंय हेज्या खातीर हेल्था परमिशना खातीर हांवें तें हें मारलां जिरोणी मारल्या पूण हे प्रॉब्लम करता म्हाका उदकां सोडपा नाका हांगा गणपती बुडयतात कळ्ळी आमचे सगळे हिंदू लोक हेच सुद्दां हांवें गणपती बुडोवपाक हांवें ती परमिशन दिल्लें एक उतरान कांय विचारनासतना तेंच्यांनी पंचायतीन मागलें म्हाजे कडेन हांवें डायरेक्ट सायन दिलें तांकां कांय विचारना तुमी कितें करता कितें आनी पंचायतीन बांदलो थंय प्लॅटफॉर्म ते म्हाजे कांय परमिशन घेतना तेंच्यानी फूट स्टॅप बांदता म्हणलेलें सो तेंच्यांनी तें प्लॅटफॉर्म बांदलें हांवें तें केन्ना विचारना.
Navilim Sarpanch claims Panchayat had permitted a temporary structure, but now following opposition and some violation by the owner, Panchayat will rethink over the NOC.
Panchayat temporary connection dille, NOC dille, but ten मातशें चड ओवर केलें सो लोकांक हिंगा लायक जालना कित्याक हिंगा लोक जाण आहाय आनी हिंगा लोक शेतकारी सो तेंगे कितें आहा तें जाणाय आनी तेंकां खाल्या शेत रोवपाक बी तेंगे कडेन एक शावाड वचपा ना आनी कितें सो ताका लागून लोक बेजार जाला सो ते म्हणटाय कितें हिंगा नाका.
पंचायत आतां कितें एक्शन घेतली?
बॉडी मिटींग गेली सो कितें आहा तें मिटींग प्लेस करता.
Savio Dice for Prudent.
Custodian house Little Angels has begun its services from new premises in Sodan. The house was inaugurated on Sunday. This house would take care of the needy and specially challenged children. Custodian house came into being in 2006. Social workers have come together to help the needy. Union Minister of State for Tourism and Culture, Shripad Naik, inaugurated the house. It will be registered with the Social Welfare Department and government would fund its activity.
गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट या संदर्भात सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंट ह्या सगळ्या हातूंतल्यान मदत करता. तांचें रजिस्ट्रेशन सोशल डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन जावपाचें आसा तें निश्चितपणे आमी बेगिना बेगीन हें केल्या नंतर तांकां मदत जी आसा डिपार्टमेंट जी गव्हर्मेंटाचो फंडींग जी आसा तें फंडींग सुरू जातलें.
Many social workers and well-wishers were present for the inauguration. Former DGP of Goa Aditya Arya is the chairman of the society.
So when I came as DGP here in 2011, I was more closely associated with the society's activities, and it's a charitable society. You will be seeing here adults as well as children. They are admitted and they are taken care of. They are trained how to look after themselves.
Reporter Uday Parab for Prudent.
Foundation stone laid for the new KTC bus stand at Margao is it's even after 3 years. Government had an ambitious plan for a modern bus stand for intercity and interstate buses. The bus stand was expected to be a commercial hub for the KTC as a revenue model. But even after 3 years, there is no sign of the project. A ground zero report by Savio Dias.
This KTC bus stand in Margao is nothing new to Goans and the tourists. Look at the condition. No toilets, neither drinking water or proper sitting arrangement. A foundation stone for the new bus stand was laid during the erstwhile government of Digambar Kamath on 6th October 2011, but the project is yet to see the light of the day. Government had plans for a modern bus stand for intercity and interstate buses. Secondly, the bus stand was proposed to be shifted from current area to the Jisura area, opposite to the South Collectorate. Around 60,000 square meter land has been acquired for the project, but the land is lying unutilized. The current and the former MLAs from Fatorda have a contradictory take on the project.
हो बस स्टँड कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशनाचे जमनीचेर आहा. सुडाचेर जर तूं वतलो जाल्यार जे कितें पयशे जोडटले हे सुडा जोडटले आनी तातूंत कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशनाक कांय फायदो जावंक शकना. जी एक्वायर केल्ली जमनीन जंय अजून मेरेन सरकारान एक कांयच करूंक ना, ती जमीन फक्त ग्रीन दवरची, एक ग्रीन बफर झोन म्हणून दवरचो फातोर्डा मतदारसंघा खातीर. ताका मल्टिपल क्रॉपिंग करपा खातीर हांव सपोर्ट करपाक फुडें तयार आहा.
तो बांदपाक जाय हांगा खंय तुगेलो ताजेर नेक्स्ट कलेक्टराची बिल्डींग आसता ते ओपन टर्मिनस जें घेतलां ती लँड एक्वायर केल्या, ती लँड एक्वायर केल्या थंय करपाक जाय. आनी थंय जर करत जाल्यार तो त्या वटेच्यान वेस्टर्न बायपास जो येता आवट एंड आवट ट्रॅफिक कमी जातलें, ट्रॅफिक भितर येवचें ना. इस्टर्न बायपासा कडल्यान आवट एंड आवट काणकोण वचपाक मेळटलें, वेस्टर्न बायपासा वयल्यान आवट एंड आवट पणजे बिणजे वचपाक मेळटलें. आनी तो लोड जो आसा सकले बाजारान सर्कल होली स्पिरीट चर्च बीन आसा पळय त्या रोडा कडल्यान जो गार्डना कडेन मार्केटान भितर मडगांवान भितर जो लोड जाता सगळो तो लोड कमी जातलो.
Almost 350 crores worth project was supposed to be constructed on PPP model. But even after 3 years, the bus stand awaits to see the light of the day. Reporter Savio Dias for Prudent.
Sankri swimming pool is lying in sorry state for past many days now. The reason being services of 17 staffers of the SAG have been recently terminated. General Secretary of Congress Sunita Verekar says that this poses threat to the swimmers visiting the pool. She has demanded that the terminated employees should be reinstated as soon as possible.
उदक घाण जाल्ल्या कारणान लोक आज हांगासर येवंक शकनात, कारण त्यांच्या आरोग्याक धोको निर्माण जाल्लो आसा. अशें करून आयले की जो स्टाफ 3 वर्सां ह्या स्विमींग पुलाचेर काम करतालो, जेंकां अपॉइंटमेंट 2011 काँग्रेस सरकारान तांकां अपॉइंट केल्ले हांगासर, तो सगळो स्टाफ मेंबर जवळ जवळ 17 स्टाफ मेंबर आज हांगासर टर्मिनेट केलो गेला. आनी आज 3-4 दीस जाले ह्या उदकाचें क्लिनलिनेसूय जावंक ना. कितें फॉर्मेलिटीज आसा त्यो कंप्लीट करच्यो तुमी आनी त्या स्टाफाक जाता तितल्या बेगीन हांगासर रेग्युलरायज करचें. आनी आज जी भारत स्वच्छता मोहीम मोदी सरकारान चलयल्या ती खऱ्या अर्थान जर तुमी स्वच्छता मोहीम तुमकां राबोवपाची आसत जाल्यार आज हो स्विमींग पूल आसा तो इतलो घाण करून दवरला हांगासर. आनी तुमकां एकूच विनंती करता, तुमची मनाय आसा ती मातशी स्वच्छ करची आणि सुडाचे राजकारण लोकां कडेन खेळचें न्ही, ते फक्त काँग्रेसीन तांकां घेतला म्हणून तांकां काडून उडोवचें न्ही, इतलीच माझी विनंती आसा.
We spoke with the in charge of Sakri swimming pool. He said that he cannot help. The SAG has terminated services of some employees.
गव्हर्नमेंट हायर लेवलचेर तांकां काडला, ताका लागून आतां 2-3 दीस जाले आमी हे क्लीन करूंक ना. आतां क्लीन करपाचे आतां सक्शन ब्रश जे आसा न्ही, ते सक्शन ब्रश मारपाचे आतां.
Uday Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.